Hi there! In this video I want to show you how to confirm whether your iPad mini 6 is original. So let's get started. First of all, let's just open settings. Here choose the general tab and go in the about tab. So now you can see your serial number, and now you just need to take this box in which your device came, just turn it around and you'll see the serial number here as well. Compare it, and if it matches, then your iPad is probably original. Now the next step, we need to copy this number, just press and hold it, and now we need to open browser and then open this page imei24.com. So here just paste your serial number, which we have copied before, click the check button, and then confirm that you are not a robot. So just put check mark here, confirm it by tapping the blue mark, and here you will see this information. Let me just close this page. So if everything with this data matches, then your iPad is original. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.